Local news for Wednesday the 30th of October. The Carterton Community Emergency Exercise Hub takes place this Sunday. Held at the event centre at 2 p.m, it's a chance for Cartertonians to learn how to respond as a community in a disaster and to practice what to do. There are 127 hubs across the Wellington region. The Masterton Civic and Youth Award nominations close a week on Friday. Nominations cover several categories including youth, arts and culture, community and education. There's plenty on offer for Halloween in Wairarapa tomorrow. Equippers Church are running a colour party, while the island at Masterton's Queen Elizabeth Park will be decorated for the kids with a train running as well. St Luke's Greytown are running a trick or trunk event, while the Screening Room are running movies for kids through to adults. And Rural Communities Touch should get underway tonight at the Maris Rugby Grounds, the idea being to get farmers and their families off the farm and enjoy a bit of sport and camaraderie. The first game gets underway at 6 p.m. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.